Guys, can you guys hear me better right now? So sorry, just now I was disconnected for a while.
Yes,
Hello.
very good, the line.
All right, that's great. Okay, all right. Fortunately, okay, by God's grace, we managed to get a good line. No choice, I have to get back to the car. Okay, yeah, first of all, I would like to say sorry for the delay. Yeah, because I got an emergency meeting just now. So yes, I just got back to Malacca. All right, so okay, so just to brief you guys a little bit, today we will be doing a review session for our fund management. All right, so today will be me doing the review session. Okay, so I'll let you guys roughly know about the current market situation and what are the improvement that we will be doing. Okay, my team and I, and also what was the trade that we are currently facing the market condition. All right, so like for the past, I'll start it shortly a while. Okay, so we give another 1 minute to see who's coming in some more. Okay, all right, yeah, there's a lot of people. Okay, all right. So just to acknowledge you guys again, inform you guys again. So this is consider our second review session. Sorry, our first review session after we started our portfolio under Untitled. All right, so this is our first review session. So just to let you guys know, for those of you who are new to us, okay, on every month, first week of the month, we will actually do a review session, which means to let our clients, our investors, to know about the current market situation and what is our forecast for the upcoming markets. All right, and then especially we'll tell you guys why the trades are performing, why are not performing. Because I believe as an investor, you guys supposed to know how your funds are working on, and then also what it's your trader currently facing. Okay, whether it's good or bad, we still need to know. And then I believe because some of you here are investors who are introduced by your friends. Okay, so your friends might not know much about the industry. Okay, so he or she may not be able to provide you the first-hand information. All right, so as a trader of you guys, me, all right, Jonathan, I'm here to tell you guys about your accounts. All right, so just let you guys to know what is going on with the market. Okay, whether it's good or bad, you guys have to know about it. All right. Okay, so I'm not gonna wait because it's already 9:46. Okay, so I'm just gonna start my review session. Okay, so am I gonna be sharing my screen? I'll be sharing my screen. Just to let you guys, it's a bit technical. But I just wish you guys to know a little bit about how actually it works. All right, so this is my MetaTrader 4. It's where I trade. All right, so these are the pairing that you can see. It's what I'm trading. Okay, just to inform you guys again, for those of you who are new to me, all right, these are the pairing lists that I trade only. Okay, so I only trade the major pair, okay, which is anything related to USD. Okay, you can see USD, CAD, AUD, USD, Euro, USD, GBP, USD. Okay, so those are major pair that I said. And then cross pair, which means that there's no any USD involved, which is GBP JPY, Euro AUD, GBP AUD. And then one more commodity, which is gold. Okay, so these are the pairings that I trade, that I view. All right, so as mentioned, I'm not sure if, let's say, your friend did mention to you or not, but I'm actually doing day and swing trade. Okay, what is day trade? It's actually whatever trade I open on the day, I will close on the day itself. Okay, so you might see whether it's loss or a profit on the day itself. Okay, and I also practice swing trade. Swing trade, which means that I hold my trade for more than a day. All right, so that's one of the thing. And then secondly, I would just to let you guys know again, I'm a percentage trader. So what does I mean by percentage trading is whereby I trade based on risk reward. Okay, so let's say if you see the trade in your account, if let's say it lose probably, example, your capital is 1,000, example, and then you see there's a $5 loss, which means it's 0.5%. Okay, so I risk per trade, I only risk 0.5 to 1%. All right, in exchange for 1% and above, which means my risk to reward. Okay, what it means risk to reward is I risk 0.5%, at least I must earn 1%. Okay, so this is my discipline and also how I manage my portfolios and how I manage my trade. So in the long run, like this only I'll win. Okay, so just to remind you guys again, it is possible that I have losses, I incur losses, but fortunately for the past 2 months, ever since we started with our portfolio, all right, based on the FX book, right, the first month was performing about 4.1%. The second month, which is a bit bad, last month is about 1.1%, and this month is haven't end yet, so I'm not sure about the result. Yeah, so let's see how's the market and treat us on the upcoming weeks. So because I believe December still got another 3 weeks, almost 3 weeks. Yeah, but then on Christmas is a holiday, and then also yeah, it's a bit quiet at the end of the year. But I'll try to do more onto day trade, which means I open my trade, I close on the day. Yeah, this is my solution for this month. And we expect usually when January comes at time, it'll be good. Yeah. So that is what we do. Okay, so all right, so just to do a little bit of trade review. Okay, so for the past month, this is the account where it's running. Yeah, correct. Okay, yeah, so this is our trade for the whole entire last month until this month. Okay, this is the PAMM account where actually I link to all the PAMM. Okay, so because as you know that currently your account are all handled by the PAMM, which is the management system. It's a management system. So you guys are copying my trade. All right. So if you can see, right, I have my losings as well. Let's say example, you see like this Gbp Jpy, I lost, which is on the 2nd of November. So I entered a 3 trade. Okay, 3 trades. So here is 457, 457, 457. This trade I took about 1% risk. I thought about 1% risk, yeah. So there is the first trade that I took on the November, and then after that, yes, sometimes I will do this, but I believe this is this is the 3 trades that I take the time. So this one I got SL, I got hit off the market. I was doing a buy position, okay, and then after I remember on here I entered again, okay, for GJ, but then it hit my break even. Then I remember I do a sell down there. Wait, let me check a while. Yeah, just to check. There I did a sell. You see, sell GJ. Oh, but this one hit BE. This is a 2 trade where I secured the profit. Okay. So just to let you guys know, right? If you can see throughout the trade here, there's winning and losers, of course. Okay, but what I see is like, this is a GJ trade. Yeah, this one was the recovered. Okay, so if you can see, this 2 trade actually I made about $20 of 1,000. I made 4% for this trade. This 2 trade itself, I made 4%, which is on 4th of November. Okay, because like myself, I trade based on the trend. All right, so which means that, but then I have a weakness. Okay, every trader has their own weakness because of their own strategy. So my weakness is whereby when it is during market ranging. What does I mean by market ranging is like this. Okay, let me share with you guys. Why am I recording? Sorry. Okay. Market ranging is something like this. Show you guys a while. This one. This area. Can you guys see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Can you respond to me on the chat box? Okay, let's say like this. You see, price is moving within this range. Okay, so this is my weakness because I don't like. That's why I might not trade here. I might not trade here, but if I might trade here, sometimes I might got stop loss, stop hunt, which means that the market manipulates and strike me out lah, like this kind of situation. You see, there's a wick came out, so it might
Bro,
strike me on my stop loss.
bro,
Yeah.
your screen is not cannot view your screen.
Wait, cannot view my screen. Okay, wait. Let me show my screen while yeah. Sorry. Okay, can you guys see it?
Yes, can.
Can see my MetaTrader 4?
Yeah, can. Right now, can.
All right, cool. Okay, sorry guys. All right. Okay, so like I said just now, I was saying that my weakness was market ranging, right? Okay, this is the part. Okay, this is USD CAD. So let's say example here. Okay, you see the price is moving up and down within a certain range. So this is my weakness. Okay, because I prefer to trade based on trending. You see, like this kind of situation, like this one, uptrend. Okay, I prefer to trade trend like this. So when I face something like this ranging, sometimes I get stop hunt. Stop hunt is means like something like this. Okay, we call the market liquidity. Okay, so it strike on my stop loss and then after that it went up. Okay, so for this kind of situation, sometimes I might trade, sometimes I don't. You will see sometimes, why this week there's so less trade, then suddenly Friday or Thursday then I got trade. Yeah, because this one I remember the market was ranging for some time until it break here. Yeah, here to here is about almost a month maybe. That's why USD CAD I don't trade last month. Only this month I managed to see, which is on last Friday, last Thursday and last Friday. Yeah, but then I did cut a loss on Friday, the day. We lost about 0.2%, 0.1 or 0.2%, somewhere around there. Okay, because the 0.15%. Yeah, I cut loss. Later I'll tell you what's the reason. Okay, so just to let you guys know again, okay, I prefer to trade on trend. Yeah, so sometimes you might not see trade on that particular day or what lah. All right, that's one thing. Second thing, okay, I have to repeat again because just now you all never see my screen. Okay, so this is a trade which is on last month until now. These are the records. Okay, so as you guys can see, right, actually on 2nd of November, actually I bought long for Gbp Jpy. Okay, then you see I got hit SL. Then after that I buy again on 2nd of November, break even lah. This one 0.05% I don't consider as profit lah. I take it as break even. Okay, and then after that on 4th only it came to my direction. This one you see I sell, and then after that how much we got based on 1000 USD. This capital is 1000 USD. You see we got $20.43, which is 2%, plus this one another 2%. So you get 4% on one single trade. Okay, so this is what I mean by the trending. Okay, because that time I trade, you see I do buy on 2nd. After that I buy again on 2nd, but then after that I see tak jalan already. The price cannot go up already, no more strength to go up already. So I wait. On 3rd I don't trade GJ. After I came back to GJ, which is on 4th, because the direction show me is going down already. Okay, so out of that, you see, I lost 457, 457, 454. I lost 0.2% because it's 1000 USD account. So I lost 0.2%, 1.2%. But I won back 4%. So you deduct actually on that particular pair, I made 2.8%. All right, so this is what I mean by risk to reward. Okay, because trader, like a lot of people will ask me, hey, why this few days no trade? Okay, the reason why no trade is because I don't see any direction for my strategy. I don't see any direction, then I wouldn't tap into it. I will only go for something that I feel has the higher probability that I can go for it. Then I will go for it. Or else, it would be just don't trade just because I want to trade. You get what I mean or not? And then don't. It's not about the frequency. It's about the amount that we make. All right. So like gold, on this one on 5th of November. Okay, I sold gold. I got stopped out. So then I look at it. Okay, now I know already. Okay, from here already, I got a sell already. Then I don't trade gold already. I will look into the market how it moves first. Then only I decide. But this one I remember was a NFP week and FOMC week. Yeah, so I didn't manage to catch the long position trend because it was I'm more biased on the sell that time. Yeah, and then after that we have Euro USD. You see we have GBP USD also on here. This three. Yeah, so this one gives us about 1.4%. For Euro USD, you managed to catch 2 trades, which is almost 2.7%. And then GBP USD, we catch about 1.5%. All right. So if you can see, there is winning that's losing. I might have losing streak. Like last week, this week is my losing streak. This week is my losing streak. This 2 week, this 2 week market strike me. Only GU I managed to catch last week. I caught about 1%, but this week I got struck by GJ, especially GJ. Oh, the market ranging up and down. Then you see I cut off at, you see, this 3 trade was last Friday. So I cut off, I lost about 0.3%. 0.3%. Yeah. So because the reason, okay, let me show you guys the reason okay, why I cut off. Okay, because you guys want to know, sometimes it is good to know also. Okay, still can see my screen, right? Hi guys. Still can see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much for your response. Okay, so what is this? USD. Okay. Let's see. So this is based on daily chart lah. Okay, so a bit technical, but let you guys know. You see, so for me, when it comes to trading a trend, right, you can see it's a huge came down already on daily time frame. Market tells us it might wants to continue to go down like this. Okay, but the thing is that our friend USD CAD here on Friday, it does give us a response. You see, it shows us a wick down here. Okay, it reject. If you can see the wick, it shows us got rejection. Okay, sorry. You see, got rejection. Respond to the previous resistance, which is here. Okay, but the thing is, the candle is still above of this blue color zone. So when I look into it, it might want to break up and go to this, my next line, which is this another supply zone. Because my trading strategy, I trade based on supply and demand, support and resistance. Okay, but of course I trade with confirmation. So these are the key area. If you guys see, you see why suddenly here is a big drop. It must have a certain block down here. So to me, based on my experience, because of here, it's a big drop. So it came back here, it has a big drop. But I didn't manage to catch this zone because sometimes you see the market go in straight away, come out already. It never give me any confirmation. Sometimes it's in the middle of the night one. So I'm still a human. I need to sleep. Okay, so I will target the second confirmation, second entry. So here I don't feel comfortable. That's the reason why I cut off, because it might have the possibility to come back into the next zone, which is here, and then only continue the journey. Yeah, so I wouldn't want to risk further. Although if I risk, I lose 0.5%, but that day I was floating at 0.1%, so I cut off lah. That's the reason why I cut off for my USD CAD. Okay, and then I have some client, I have some feedback. Okay, some clients are asking me, why is there a floating of maybe 0.3%? Like example, if let's say 1,000 USD account, right, they might floating at $3. Why I never close the trade? All right, let me tell you guys one thing. You see, $3 out for 1,000 is 0.3%. Okay, I risk that trade probably 0.5%. So if in long term, because of locking the profit, right? Okay, I lose if let's say I lose 0.5%, but I only earn 0.3%, right? In the long run, I wouldn't be profitable. Yeah, because let's say example, you are using 1-to-1. You risk $1 just to earn $1. It means that let's say you lose 2 times, you lose $2 already, but then you win 1 time only, you win $1. So I wouldn't want to do something like this. I would prefer to do something that is at least 1-to-2, which means I risk $1, right? I gain back is 2. So out of 10 trade, even if I lose 6 trade, right, I win only 4 trade, I still make money. Okay, why? You see, we use calculator lah. Okay, so let's say example, if 1 trade I risk 1%, okay, which means I lose 6%. Okay, but 4 trade I'm exchanged for a reward of 2%. 4 times 2, I'm getting 8. So 8 minus the loss 6 one, I still gain 2. So in the long run, you will still see profit. Yeah, but if let's say you're using 1-to-1 ratio, right, you'll be very your win rate must be 80%. Yeah, but then I don't see that would be a good thing for a long run. That's why I prefer to trade based on risk to reward. Okay, so the reason for UC I cut off is because of this. And then let us see Gbp Jpy. Gbp Jpy, another donkey. Hey. All right. So, okay, you see I draw this blue color box, right? You see suddenly at this zone, it spiked up. Okay, this tells us the market has a very strong demand down here. Okay, so investor might be a bit blurry. Okay, all right, but then you have to know a little bit lah. Okay, so here is a very big demand zone. It's a buy position. So, but that day, you see, at H4 that time, right, it showed us a downtrend. Okay, price came in to my zone. Okay, I remember I entered about here, this zone here. Here, sorry, here. Okay, because it came here, the time it reject. The zone was quite big now, but it still wants to take this. So it came back here the time that it showed me rejection. But I cut loss around somewhere around here. Okay, so we lost about both trade about 0.2%. Okay, the reason why I cut loss here is because you see the price ended above this blue color zone, which is the demand zone. This zone, you see? This zone. Okay, because when I know if the price, it's about prediction game lah, okay, probability game. I believe if let's say the price cannot close below this particular zone, it might straight away go up. Okay, so I would rather stay out of the market first. Okay, and then after that I see what is the upcoming. Okay, so that's the reason why sometimes I have closing of loss over the weekend, over the week. Okay, and I hope to let you guys know, I mean, every trader has their own strategy, but as for mine, in the long run basis, I'll definitely make profit. That is what I am confident to talk about it, because I'm actually handling a fund house companies fund. All right, so basically I've been trading with them for some time. Okay, and then it has started growing. Initially, I started only with them with about $20,000, and then I'm handling the funds 300,000, and I'm going for the next test and going up to $1 million for one single account. All right, so based on my previous experience, actually, I'm putting the same strategy that I'm trading for my own account with the prop fund company for all of my clients. All right, so I'll just let you guys know, for my target, I wouldn't be target very, very high extreme profit that you might heard from the market. Okay, but as for me, okay, I'm targeting per month, I'm aiming only at about 5 to 15%. Okay, but what I can tell you guys is for guarantee one is definitely your account would burst. Okay, what it mean burst is like becomes zero lah. Okay, first thing, you wouldn't burst. I wouldn't burst your account. That is number one thing. My team for the past 4-5 years, we have never blown any single account before for any of our clients for fund management. One thing. Second thing is that in long run, you'll definitely make profit. Okay, but 1 year, maybe 2 to 3 months, I might have break even or face some certain losses. Okay, so if let's say you want to see the actual result, right, because for some of you just came in one, you might not know much, So this is our trade like J, sorry. This is our channel where you guys can see all those info are inside. Okay, so if you guys say, all right, this is our FX book. Okay, because sometimes some of you came in maybe last week. Ngam is my drawdown week. Okay, so you might not know. Okay, so here is the long run thing where you can see my performance. Okay, so if you can see my drawdown currently is only 3.22%. This one is a drawdown. Okay, yeah. So I'm a very I would say I'm a very secure risk trader. I'm quite conservative, but the reason why I never boom more profit this few months, because I'm not that aggressive yet this few months, to be honest. Yeah, because towards end of the year, to me my experience is a bit how to say, a bit complicated. The market sometimes had no direction, or like the day GJ also been waiting for some time. You look at this zone. Wow, this is the zone where it's very terrible. This zone. This one I believe last 3 weeks ago. Yeah, 3 weeks ago. This zone. See, market has no direction until it break. But I remember I did a short position down here, which is on last week. Yeah. All right. So this is the few things that I have to let you guys know. Okay. So what is my upcoming forecast for our upcoming weeks? Okay, I'm aiming at still GJ. I'll be monitoring. If let's say next week it break down of this blue color zone, okay, I will wait it come back to this blue color zone. I will do a sell, because this sell is going to be crazy. Now the market is in the mid of deciding whether you want to go up or go down, and this is I would say a bloody huge movement. Okay, because if it go down, I tell you guys, if it is go down, it might go down to here. Okay, and this, how many pips is this? Let me check. From my zone, blue color to here, you're talking about 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips. Okay, but of course I don't hold 1,000 pips. Okay, but then I will hold at least few hundred. Okay, and then I will secure profit first for the upcoming week. Once it has a direction, I will secure 100 pip first, 100 pip, 100 pip, I take and run first. Okay, we build some profit up first. We build more bullet. My upcoming week plan is to build more bullet first. Then only we go for swinging trade. Okay, so if it close below just now the zone that I say, the blue color zone, it has the possibility to come until here. But take time to come here. But of course, along the journey, I will close profit, then slowly sell until here. Okay, number one thing. Okay, if let's say it never close below, okay, it never break this blue color zone, then it has a chance to come until here. Here is about 300 pips. 300 pips. But if I sell, I won't sell here. I will sell here. Here or here. Because here the zone take. Oh no, here. I will sell here. And then here is about 300 pips. This is my target. So for GJ, I focus. Up and down, I have my reasons to enter. Alright. That's for GJ. And then I'll talk about UC, USD CAD, which is just now. If let's say the price, this zone, came down, congratulations. Come back here, we do a sell. I'll take under here. So here to here is about almost 180 pips. About 180. How you see 180? You saw here? The 256. This thing. 2470 other thing. So 2470 tells you 1891 tells you is 189 pips. So if let's say it went up, then we will aim at this zone already. My this zone. This zone. This week. This one. So we see lah. Okay. All right. So this is my forecast for this two pairing. And then what else I see is GBP USD. Yeah, GBP USD. All right, GBP USD. When I look into it lah, I believe it will come back here first, here or this two zone. Then only it will come back. Okay, so this is my focus for this two pairing. But of course, I have to see the upcoming week. What is the market movement? Then only I can decide lah. Okay, all right. So this is the forecast that I'm looking into. Can you guys see me? Can see me? Hello. I can see me. Chat box. Can okay, and then after that, okay, come. Okay, like I have to look in the question right now already. If you want to look, just curious, but okay, let's just open up the combination function. Okay, all right. Okay, so just to answer, is it possible for traders to just focus on few combination, for instance, XAU, USD, GBP, USD? Okay, all right. Okay, I mean, strategy to trade is basically the same. All right, so if let's say to focus only on one or two pairing, right, and then the trade frequency will be very, very low. Okay, for instance, like I said, you guys can still see my screen now. Okay, example like GBP USD. Last week I have a trade. I do a short selling down here. I do a short selling down here, and then we take our profit down here, ma. Okay, let's say now I want to wait for the price to come back to the next zone, to here to sell. Okay, it already take me more than a week no trade already. So I wouldn't be only focusing on only one or two pairing only, but I only focus here. These are the pairing. Sorry, this one delete. The day, because I have a student ask me to help him to see. I only trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only focus on 8 pairing only. Okay, if you want to go down to only 1 or 2 pairing to focus on, right, that one depends on the trader strategy. Okay, for myself, I look into these 8 pairs for only a few reasons. First of all, I have more market opportunities. And then second thing, I wouldn't do, because I'm doing swing trade. Okay, like I said, because the most important thing is make money. Okay, all right, so or else you can't get this kind of trade, right? You won't get something like this. You want to get a 200 fly pips of 100. You're talking about this $14 thing is 140 pips. You want to get 140 pips for Euro USD, right? You might need to wait weeks or month, you know. All right, so or GBP US dollar 150 pips. Maybe you need to wait for a few weeks on. Yeah, so if let's say to wait, and then client will ask us, hey, why no trade again? Yeah, so I believe that allowed the trader to make their decisions. Yeah, because I'm speaking on behalf of myself, right? So I have to let you guys know. Okay, so that's the reason why we don't only focus on that one particular pairing. Okay, and then choosing the right trade and timing to enter. Okay, actually timing and right trade, we don't usually use the word right trade. We usually use the higher probability trade, because market got buyer, got seller, got winner, got loser. All right, so sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. Okay, because if I every day win, then nobody lose any. All right, so we have this kind of situation. Okay, sometimes it's like example like GBP Jpy. Okay, I buy SL first time, which is on Monday. Tuesday I buy again, I SL again. I stop loss SL same as stop loss So I usually buy only at the key level. Okay, so it's not about timing, it's about the zone. Okay, so I bought at the right zone, but the thing is, a right zone, a higher probability zone also can be broken also, because the support zone or the demand zone also can be broken also. So once it's broken, I might have, usually I will gonna SL 2 times on that particular pair. If let's say I buy SL, I buy again SL. Okay, market tell me already, market trend gonna change. So let's say I lose 1 time, 2 time, I lose 1%, am I right? Because one trade I risk 0.5%. Okay, so I lose 1% already. Remember, I lose 1% already. So now market tell me, oh, market gonna change direction already because key level kena broken already. The demand zone was broken or the support has been broken. So now market tell me, market changing direction already. So I wait for sell already. I will look for sell already because it already tell me already. Hey, you already lose 2 times on the same direction already. So market got to change direction already. So I'll wait for key level, go back to the key level. Instead, I do the buy, I do the sell. So I do the sell, remember or not, 0.5% I will exchange for 1%. So with one trade, I cover back my loss already. I win 1, I cover 2 loss. So this is my strategy. So if let's say I'm confident already, I lose 2 times already, usually I won't risk 0.5% already. I might go for 1%. So 1% I exchange for 2% because risk to reward 1 to 2 at least. Okay, so I exchange for 2%, I cover back my 1% loss, I still earn another 1%. That is my strategy. Okay, understand? If you guys understand, can you put a 1 for me? You write 1, 1, 1. 1. Okay, all right, cool. Only 1% understand, way. How many of you down here? 13 of you down here, only 1% understand. Come on, guys. Yeah, I see my student inside also. Come on, way. Okay, by the way, because I'm doing education as well, so I'm training up my students to be trader for you guys in future also. Okay, but of course I have to go through with them first, and then after that to see, if they can perform. Okay, so one everyone. Okay, a student. Hey, come on, student not responding because they never learn enough. All right. Okay. So my forecast for upcoming weeks are like this, but I hope you guys have the mindset whereby we just want to remember one thing I have to share with you guys. My team and I'm the head of analysts, so I have to let you guys know one thing. It's whereby there's no point for us to lose your money because we are using a proper broker. We are not doing any dealing desk. Okay, you lose, we don't earn. So basically, we will always try our best to to make profit for you guys. But of course, sometimes market you can't rush. Because chasing after trade, it's called FOMO, fear of missing out. When you are fear of missing out, psychology takes place. When psychology takes place, you make a lot of misjudgment. So if misjudgment, you lose it, you will chase after trade. That is called revenge trade. So when you got revenge trade at the time, you lose. All right, that is the theory of trading. It's very psychological in play kind of thing in trading. Yeah, because not every that's why trading, everyone can trade. Okay, but the thing is trading is not for everyone. That's the reason why we provide fund management service. Okay. All right. So I hope you guys give yourself some time, give us some time to actually perform. Okay, but I can guarantee one thing, it's whereby you won't see your account next day blowing up. That is 100% guarantee. And then because you are using a proper broker, and then also your trader always have stop loss. Hey, every of my trade, come on guys, look. Every of my trade can have no TP. Wait, sorry. Every of my trade can have no TP, or this one got TP. This one no TP, but I will definitely have SL. Stop loss, see or not? This thing. Come guys, see. SL. Hey. SL. See or not? SL. I don't have TP, but I got SL. Okay? Yeah, so don't worry about blowing up your account. Impossible. Impossible. I can guarantee you this one. Okay, so impossible. You see, all of my trade, I have definitely stop loss. No single trade, I don't have stop loss at all. Okay? Even my sell limit also, I put my SL already. By the way, sell limit, which means that if let's say the price trigger my order, right? Then you will enter lah. Okay, buy limit also. Same thing, everything I got SL. Okay? If don't have SL one, it's not a trader. That one called gambler. Okay? So only bank trade without SL lah, because they are the market maker. Okay? Alright. So retail trader, if trade without SL, it's called gambler. So I don't do something like this. So I will always trade with stop loss. So no worries about anything about blowing your account, lost every of your funds. It's impossible down here. And then also you must know that you are using a proper regulated broker, which is IB Markets. So no worries about that. Okay. So any other questions you guys can put in the chat box, and then after that we'll see how to go about it. You know, we have another 5 minutes about to go. Wow, bro! Martingale Strategy. Hey, that one is EA. No lah, man. Don't play, bro. Martingale. No, this year, to be honest, right, I have to let you guys know. Actually, our team also we do we do EA also. But then the thing is, I have to let you guys know. You see, Martingale Strategy, it looks beautiful because you can see almost daily or weekly profit. But the thing is, when the market come one big trend, okay, you die. Okay, it's either you cut loss at certain percentage or you blow the whole entire account. Okay, and I can tell you guys, trust me, if you go out, if any of your friends or on Facebook or whatever, you see that's almost daily profit kind of thing like this, right? You look at the lot size. If the lot size is multiplying, that one is Martingale Strategy, which means that let's say now I put $1, I lose, I use $2 to bet. Okay, so if I even not losing, some Martingale they close trade, then they Martingale. Some Martingale is they hold the trade, then they Martingale. So Martingale you can enjoy, yes, you can enjoy, but the thing is your floating is 30%. It can go up to 30% in exchange for 2 to 4% profit. Can you sleep, brother? The thing is, can you sleep? If your account $100,000, okay, maybe you have 100,000, you have a few million $, you don't feel pinched at all, floating with $30,000. But friend, if let's say you standby budget $10,000, you look at the floating 3,000, I tell you cannot sleep. Trust me, you guys cannot sleep. Okay, so this is the issue of Martingale. We are kind of prohibit towards that thing in here. We have good strategy, which is the EA, but then for long-term basis, you need to do amendment. So we feel that a bit in Mandarin we call bo hua lah. So the one lah. Good for investor is a big hurt to trader. A trader big hurt. No, bro. Big hurt to you, to investor. Because a one shot koya, right? You koya because it has a possibility. Let's say example you make 40% already with one big strike of 30%, right? You lose your profit also. So that is the thing of Martingale. So don't lah. We try not to involve ourselves with this. We go something stable. Okay, and then after that, it's just a matter of time. I'll be more aggressive. I have to let you guys know, because to be honest, because Untitled we started, and then we have many groups who come to us recently. Okay, I've been flying around up and down, north south of Malaysia for 2 months plus already. Yeah, so what I see a lot of clients, they have we come in with different requests. Some ask me, can you don't hold your trade overnight? And I'm like, why don't I hold my trade overnight? Come on, guys. You see, because their mindset is that some of the trader they use never trade with SL and never have stop loss. Of course, you cannot hold overnight lah. If something happened in the middle of the night, how to 𝐹楼, how to cut loss, correct or not? So they don't want hold overnight. So I tell them, I cannot tell you I don't hold overnight. Sometimes you see market ranging at the price. Let's say I do sell, but it keep on stick up and down like that. Then you ask me to go and cut loss. Then sometimes it like that. Then after that go down. The market is not controlled by me. I cannot tell you tomorrow going down already. Sometimes it might play there for a week. Oh, it's possible. Yeah, so I for these few months actually I'm surveying myself, because I believe I'm the first fund manager in Malaysia who go and face client. Okay, beside the marketing team. But once again I want to thank you to Edward. Edward, are you here, Edward? Our CEO for Earnfinity. Are you here? Are you here with us? I want to thanks to him. Then
sorry,
I
just join. Yeah.
Hi Edward. Hi Edward. Yeah,
Hi,
I would like to thank to Edward, okay, for his hard work, and then also our CMO, Kingsley, because they have been helping me a lot with all the marketing stuff. You know, the big clients, everything. Yeah. So for this few months, I mean, we've been for this couple of months, these 2 months especially, we receive a lot of different kind of requests. Some are okay, some are a bit out of our thing. So we are trying to assimilate to everyone. Okay, but of course, as long my rules are there, I trade, I don't break my rules one. Okay, so I accept my loss. That is my fact. Okay, and then but I know in long run I'll definitely make profit. That is definitely one. And then I don't see any, month. I will be doing monthly consistent loss. Don't worry. All right, you might see 1 or 2 big losses, but because the trend changed, bang, I need time to adapt. Okay, break key area number 1, break key area number 2, fly. Only I know, okay. So sometimes I have this kind of situation. Yeah, I know lah, I understand lah. Client, not every investor they know about trading, and it's okay. That is the reason why we have a trade review today. Yeah, so we'll be doing it monthly, so you guys can have can understand further on what you are actually investing with. All right. Okay. So I wouldn't want to take much time. Edward, you have anything to talk about it? Yeah, you got any event you want to inform our clients down here or not?
Okay. At the moment, not from my side, but next Thursday we'll have another sharing, which is on Chinese session. So if any one of you have friends want to join, they want to, how to say, they only know Chinese, so a Mandarin session, so they can ask them to join. So the invitation link will be sent out soon. So yeah,
I see.
that's all. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Yeah.
Are you convenient to show your face to our fellow participants down here?
Okay, sure.
I see a red background or something like that background here. I see.
Right. Sorry, just able to join now because just now I was in the outside, so just reaching home. Yeah. So hi guys. So sorry for my poor attire. So yeah. So just to show face, right? So this is me. Right. So John. So thanks for sharing just now. So I'm sorry for that. Just join now. So yeah. Thanks for helping to share. So thanks guys for your time to join tonight. Yeah. So John is the expert here. So you guys listen to him on the Forex technical sharing. Never go wrong. So
still have my weakness also lah, but no worries lah. Yeah.
But sorry,
yeah, exactly.
Can you listen? My voice, is it clear, or because I'm using the iPad now?
It's all good.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, guys. Just to update, because I saw the group, the channel. I mean, the chat box. They actually, our admin sent our Telegram channel. All right. Just to inform you guys, right? Untitled Alliance group. It's currently the group that we are running onto our marketing. All right. So the channel on Telegram, it's where the place where we have a communication with our client. All right. So that is where we will post updates. So for those of you who don't have Telegram, don't have Telegram, then you download. Okay. And then if you haven't joined yet, okay, the link is in our chat box right now. Okay. You guys can click into the link. Then let's say, example, if let's say you have a client who are invested, or your friend or your family who are interested in investing, they don't know how to trade, but they just want to invest in a real trading. Listen, it's a real trading. It's not money game, not scam. Okay, they invest in a real trading, and they have the open heart to accept a certain percentage amount of loss and a consistent slow growth portfolio. They are always welcome to join our Telegram channel. Okay, and then to see what we are actually doing. Okay, so you guys can send the link out to your fellow friends and family or investor. Okay, so the link is just right in the chat box right now. You guys can click there and then send it to any one of you. Okay, all right. So just to let you guys know, we have marketing and stuff like this. So for those of you who don't know, you can DM our admin also. Our admin will send our sales representative to speak to you. Yeah, all right. And then Please help us investor to gain more profit, bring us fly high. Can, brother. That is for sure. Okay. Just need some time, we'll fly. Right? And then a bunch of energetic experts. Oh yeah, man. Yeah. Our job is just to make profit only. Okay. All right. So anything else from Edward? If we don't have, then we end our session today.
Not from my side now. But yeah, thanks
side?
for everything. Yeah. Thanks for guys joining tonight. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So hope to see you guys soon. And then if there's any update, we just update in the Telegram channel. All right. So have a nice week ahead, and we'll hope for the best for the upcoming week and the month. All right. So see you guys. Let's have a good closing for 2021. Okay. All right. Bye.
All right. Thanks, John.
Guys. Thanks, guys. Good night. Thank you.